So last night when I was cutting up the turkey, I decided to go ahead and throw it in the just to crust it over a little bit. That wasn't my initial plan, but the Instant Pot wasn't ready. It was cooking something else, and I didn't want this back end of this turkey just to be sitting around in the refrigerator. So I decided to throw it in, get a nice little crust on it, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it up so I can put it in the air fryer, not air fryer, Instant Pot, so I can get this meat. See, I'm going to cut this up so that actually I can just break it into parts, because that's exactly where this is going, into the Instant Pot, so that the rest of this meat can be separated from the bone, and I can go ahead and make some kind of turkey stew or something with this. As you all know, I'm a fan of using as much as the animal as I possibly can. There's no use of wasting, throwing away parts of this turkey that's still useful. Now this is some turkey fat. I'm going to use some chicken broth. I don't know what most people would call this, but I would call this the back of the turkey. This is the back end parts of the chest that still has the breastplate, that meat that was too hard to take off or too risky to take off, and I wasn't risking cutting my fingers. So now I'm going to put this in the Instant Pot, let it steam for about a couple hours so all this meat comes right off the bone. Then I can separate it, and we'll make a outstanding turkey stew or something out of this, because we're not going to waste any of this. Talk to you soon. Okay, this is the turkey back, what was left from me deboning the turkey. So basically what I'm going to do now is just remove most of these bones. Whole purpose of this, this is why I love my air fryer. Not air fryer, Instant Pot. To be able to just debone chicken, turkey, and not have to fight to get these bones out. All right. Okay. All bones. Another one. All right. I don't see any. Whoops. might be good. It might be good. I don't see anything more in it. And if it is, it's going to get steamed to nothing. So, we're going to add some more goodies to this. I got some celery that I want to add. I'm going to finish off the rest of the celery. Well, I tell you, turkey has such a unique smell to it. Now, ooh, I just remembered. I have one turkey neck that is inside the bag. I'm going to take that out and put this thing right up in there. Don't really need no carrots, but I'm going to add a little bit of carrots in here anyway. Add some carrots to my stew. Maybe add another couple of more. Baby carrots I'm trying to get rid of. Waste not, want not. You know what else was so good in this? And I just thought about it. Outside of these onions, a little bit of broccoli, and maybe a tomato, not a tomato, maybe, what are them things called? Potato. This is going to be some good stuff right here. Good eating. herbs that I want to put in here. Celery, onions. I was just thinking of something else to put in here. Broccoli. So let me grab some broccoli. Okay. So got the potatoes. And I'm going to put another container of chicken broth in it because there's not enough broth. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think I just saw another bone. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so delicious. Now, I had some some kale that I had frozen. I'm gonna throw a little bit of that up in there, right up in there. Yeah, better. Everything that comes out of that deep freezer is absolutely frozen. A little bit of corn in there. A little corn ain't gonna hurt. Not at all. Little peas. And my favorite. And I can never, ever, I put this, at one point in time I could not stand broccoli. And now I absolutely adore it. I'm gonna put one more potato in there. Frozen, solid. definitely gonna put one more potato, sliced up potato in there. All right. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to put this back into the Instant Pot, let it cook for a little bit. It should be ready probably in about an hour or so. I'll be back. We are back. This is what I'm calling my turkey back stew. Let's give it a good sniff. Oh, turkey heaven. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely perfect for Thanksgiving. The rich texture of the, wow. When I say I use every part of the turkey, I wasn't playing. This is actually pretty good. This is the back end of that turkey that I cut up in the previous video. Took that with some chicken broth, add some veggies to it, voila. Put it in an Instant Pot and let nature do its work. Or I should say, let steam do its work. Delicious. If I had to rate this, straight 8.5, no problem. Very creamy, textured, almost like butter, but it's not butter. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. You all take care of yourself. Eat long, live long, and have some fun every once in a while. Take care of yourself.